Good morning, Center 2. So today we continue with letter L, but we will be joining it with other letters and also practicing the small letter. So what we want to do is try to write the letter L within 2 lines instead of 3 like we were doing. So go ahead, draw capital L, and then right beside it, gonna draw the small L. And the small L is pretty easy, right? So the capital L and then the small L within 2 lines. Give me 3 of those on the top line. And then you're going to skip that line, and on the bottom, we're going to try to write the word lab. So we're going to do that with a capital L. Go straight into the A, and then go straight up into the B and out. Notice I did not take my hand off at all until I was completely finished. So let's do that again. Ooh, I started a little bit too high that time. Okay, so we're gonna go ahead and do small capital L, small A, small B, and curve out. So we could fit 3 lab, the word lab on the line, skip a line and then give me capital L, small l, skip a line and then give me the word lab. So that's what we're doing. Capital and small, skip a line, lab. Skip a line, capital and small, skip a line, lab. So go ahead and do that. Then you send me a picture. You're going to do 1 full page. Bye.